Welcome back to the channel, and you're looking at this pretty crappy Google Search Console search impressions graphic. So where we left off on the last video, we were running through what had happened on the last Google update and how that affected our website, and then our strategy for fixing it. So you'll see around here, this was when the Google algorithm update was released in August, and you can see a steady decline. Round on the September the 3rd was when it was completely rolled out. So during this period we started using the Surfer SEO Humanizer, AI Humanizer, to analyze the pages we had created, which were coming back as AI created because we used ChatGPT with Surfer SEO. So we used AI Humanizer to work on the pages, and you'll see here, like, we got pretty good scores working on it. The content wasn't as good as before, how it was worded, but then we did some editing, and the scores actually were coming up a lot higher than what they were before. Well, not a lot higher, but there was a bit of an increase in score percentage, which was great. See 92, 94, 94, which was like excellent. Like, they're getting really high. And this kind of coincided with the search impressions going back up again, and our clicks. So I thought we had that solved, and then all of a sudden it's crashed. It's crashed horribly. So that's probably the worst it's ever been since I've ever launched the website. The reason why this was low is because we switched domain names. We went from qdesign.co.uk to qdesign. So yeah, that's terrible. So I was trying to think why that would be. It was dropping off. I then checked Google Sitekit, realised that it was disconnected. Somehow it got disconnected. So maybe the data isn't transferring over to Google Search Console. It's not tracking. Therefore, that's why we've had this massive dip. But that's just really not helpful for trying to analyse the traffic. So what was interesting was I switched over to Ahrefs, because it's just terrible. So everything's red, pretty much, just red. Not good at all. So we created a new. We had a page for web design for charities. So yesterday, I used AI Humanizer to work on the content again. So added more content than what we had before. I've got this section here. And then it wanted us to add that section, so we've done that for, because that's what it suggested. We edited the content. So that was about 20 hours ago. And then this morning I got up just to have a look at things. And I found it kind of interesting that we had the charity web design search term here, and we actually dropped 62 places recently. Now I'm not sure if that was 8 hours ago. It was updated, so it might have happened before we made the content change, or just really quickly after we had done it, which is a little bit worrying, I guess. So what I've done is, so we worked on all these pages here. All these pages have been re-optimized using AI Humanizer to pass the AI test, so it seems like it's been written by a human. So what I did was I stuck all these URLs into Ahrefs. I then put the date. I haven't put the date, I don't think. Oh yeah, September the 3rd. So comparing now to September the 3rd, that was when the Google algorithm update finished. And it's all just like, there's no improvements here at all. Everything is red. Which is really, really worrying. Red, all red, all red. So I'm going to have to take a look at our Google Search Console panel and the site audit to make sure there's not any fundamental issues with like the website build. But I strongly believe it is to do with with the website content. So if we have a little look to see any new search terms which have appeared in that time. Ahrefs is really playing up today as well for some reason. So these ones, what have we got here? Know what we worked on. So App Agency London, we worked on the mobile app page. These are all blog posts. Let's see something updated recently. So no new terms, am I to believe, since the 4th of September. That's interesting because we made the changes around then. So that was done. That was something I've noticed is Surfer SEO working on content on the blog seems to be okay, but if we work on using Surfer SEO to optimize our service pages, it just doesn't have the same success rate. All these search terms. Wow. Oh, that's 10 hours ago. So that wrong way around. So 1, 2. 2 search terms related to my actual service pages, which is interesting. So it sucks right now because we can't see up-to-date data because I don't think the website was syncing with Google Search Console for the last few days. But looking at Ahrefs, it looks pretty bleak, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to roll back all the pages, to be honest. I'm going to keep the site navigation as it is. I think that's good. I'm going to roll back the pages to the content what they were on the 3rd, because it's quite possible it was actually recovering then. It was settling down and was recovering, and I've changed all the written content and now it's completely dropped off. But we don't know until we try. So yeah, sucks. Good case study though to show you guys. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on the progress.